It is Saturday, 4:10, and all my friends are busy. I don't want to waste this day, and I recently got this longboard from Canadian Tire. Also, I haven't used my Hero GoPro 5 in a very long time, so I think I'm gonna take it out for a spin. Both my GoPro Hero 5 and this longboard. Zishan, I got this idea from you. I'm gonna attach my GoPro Hero 5 to my longboard, and I'm just gonna cruise along downtown Toronto, see how it looks. Yeah, so let's get started. Longboard. What's up, you awesome people? My name is Nirmit, and I haven't done this in a very long time, and thank you, Jen, for reminding me.
Recording. You'll have to cut this.
Fuck, I thought someone stole it or something. Yeah.
It fell down over there. I'm like...
Alright. So I just got done with an interview. It was my second round, so hopefully something good will come out of it. I have to meet a friend over here at 7 p.m. I met him online in this Facebook group called Friends, Bun's Friending Zone. So if you're new to this place and if you're looking for friends and if you find yourself to be, you know, all by yourself, not doing anything, just post on that group what you want to do, what activity you want to do. For example, you want to go out for drinks, you want to go out to party, you want to go for photo walks like I do. You just post it over there, and people who are willing to be a part of it will like, comment, and send you a DM. And I posted and I got like 40 replies, which is so freaking amazing. So I'm meeting this guy. And of course, I did not want to go back home and then come back again, do that extra commute. So I thought once I'm done with my interview, I will go around, I'll film something in downtown Toronto. I'm at Nathan Phillips Square right now, and it reminds me of so many things. The first ever job I got as a student back in 2012 was to distribute flyers at Nathan Phillips Square. I still remember it was fall 2012. It was a bit chilly. I just, you know, got my fresh new hoodie, wore my sweatpants and my running shoes, and I came here at the corner. I was standing somewhere over there and I was distributing flyers. Oh my god, it is so freaking nostalgic. And I used to live at Front and Spadina, so every time from downtown, if I had to go that way, maybe let's say if I'm at Dundas Square, I had to cross Nathan Phillips Square. It never fails to impress me. I mean, it's just such beautiful buildings, man. And coming back here, it is so nostalgic. It's pretty crazy. Right now, it is very bright and sunny, so I'm gonna wait for let's say half an hour to an hour for, you know, the sun to go down. Maybe, you know, wait for the best light, and then film Nathan Phillips Square for you. The lighting condition right now is so amazing. This is exactly the times when you wish that you had a model with you to shoot some impressive B-roll. Zishan, Nabil, I wish you guys were here right now, man. If you guys are here, we could have made some crazy ass pictures and videos, man. Well, it's just windy and there's a lot of dust around, so it just reminds me of Dubai sandstorm. But I can show it to you. There's just a lot of dust flying in the air. All my equipment, my bag, my clothes have become dusty now. I think it's in my eyes. I think a little bit. So we've just reached to RC Harris water treatment plant. This is just a small place right next to the Woodbine beach, and it is so quiet. The weather is pretty weird today. I mean, till yesterday it was nice and sunny, and all of a sudden there are like clouds, and it's raining right now, and drizzling a little bit, but not a lot. And this park is dog friendly. Who doesn't like dogs, right? So my friend got me here, and I can see the entire lake from here. It is so freaking beautiful. Of course I'm going to do pictures and videos over here, but apart from that, my friend told me, Saif, he told me that this place has quite a history. So there was this time that when there was plague, and you know, there was this water contamination problem, and this building took care of that. And it's quite a beautiful building, man. Honestly, I did not know a place like this existed. I was supposed to go with Saif, by the way. Hello, Saif.
Hey.
With Saif and other guys from Facebook, and I was supposed to go with them to Toronto Island, but at the very last moment the plan got cancelled, and Saif drove me here. It's nice, it is quiet. Of course it is a weekend, maybe that's why, or oops, just stepped right into that. It is either that, or people don't know about this place. Whatever it is, I'm glad I came here. It's just beautiful, man. It is just so beautiful. Also, because the weather is so nice, I like to do pictures when it is cloudy and it is rainy. It just goes with my Instagram theme. So, alright, let me get started with that. Man, I am so glad that I did not waste my day and I came to this place with my friend Saif. It just makes me think that, you know, every time one option is lost, another option is always available. One door closes, another one opens. That is how it goes. I'm glad that the whole island thing did not work out, because if it had worked out, I would have gone to a place which I've already been to, and this place I've never been. So you know what? No complaints. Today was a fun day, and this is how I am going to finish today's vlog, guys. My week is over. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow I have to edit this and upload this, and I have to do a million things tomorrow. Go for a meeting, prepare food, also do some documentation work. So this is about it for today. This is about it for today's vlog. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.